Okay, this is the outback where Dad's got all his wood and beehives. He collects swarms and puts them into new boxes basically, so he has to buy bits and pieces and build the boxes. But here's my sky camera that I've got anchored down with bricks and drainage pipe. And you can see it comes through the window there for the power lead, and I'm using the Wi-Fi. So it seems to work. The router's on the other side of that window. 5G and 3, well 5, not 5G as in phone connection, but the higher band on the router. But I think this one only does the lower band, which you call 5G is called AC on Wi-Fi, but I think it's using a wireless in, and it seems to do a good enough job. You can see I've got it anchored down with some rope I bought, and it's waterproof and it's all metal, and the tripod's a piece of crap, and it looks like the tape's starting to peel off, probably collapse one day. There, but the plastic little clips on it ain't solid.